Hello everyone, it's a plate of chapati and curry. Let's begin with the recipe of beans carrot curry. Thoroughly wash the vegetables and start chopping the vegetables. Along with the beans and carrot, I'm also adding a 2 pieces of brinjals. For tempering, take 1 onion and 1 tomato and chop it. Add cut vegetables to the pressure cooker. Add 2 glasses of water, a pinch of turmeric and little salt. Steam until you hear 2 whistles. Take little coriander and grate it into small pieces. And these are the ingredients required. Heat the kadai, add 3 to 4 spoons of oil, a little mustard, curry leaves, 2 red chili, urad dal and add little jeera. Add chopped onion and fry it thoroughly until it turns gold. Adding tomato on it. Adding a pinch of turmeric, a spoon of chili powder, garam masala and little coriander powder. Adding steamed vegetables. At the end, mix it with the grated coriander.